Keysearch Review. Find relevant, low-competition keywords for your website. Are you wondering why you're not ranking in search engines, like Google or Bing? It could be you're not publishing enough blogs, or it could be your keywords. If you're ready to take a big bite out of the search engine traffic pie by looking into keyword search tools, here's a helpful Keysearch review determining whether or not it's an affordable keyword analysis tool or a gimmick. So, are you ready to have a slice of that search engine traffic pie, but you aren't sure how to really get it? Believe me, I understand. I'd consistently published blogs, which I'd been told is one of the most important things for search engine optimization, used a chosen keyword frequently throughout a post, and even stuffed that keyword into places. But nothing, just crickets. I was expecting my search engine page views to skyrocket, but the only thing that skyrocketed was my annoyance and frustration. Until I finally decided to invest in a keyword analysis tool for search engine optimization. That keyword search tool is called Keysearch. This amazing tool that has been changing the blogging SEO game since 2016. But let's dig into it. After using it for over a year now, I found out how amazing it is. Essentially, Keysearch aids in the tracking of your SEO efforts by revealing what keywords you could realistically rank for, what your competitors are doing with keywords, and assisting you in locating competitor keywords for which you could write a better article. And this is all for an extremely affordable price. I'm talking like $17 a month. What will Keysearch do? Keyword research tool. Ever wanted to find out how much search traffic a specific keyword or long-tail keyword gets? Or if you even have a chance to rank for it? You can do that within Keysearch. Competitor analysis. With the handy-dandy competitor analysis feature, you can run a backlink checker that adds up how many backlinks your website has, where those backlinks are coming from, what the anchor text is for those backlinks, and if those backlinks are follow or no follow. Explorer feature. The Explorer feature is fabulous for uncovering your domain strength and what keyword score you can actually, realistically rank for. YouTube research. Are you a YouTuber? Then you're going to love this feature. If you're pondering what vids to make in the future, hop onto Keysearch, go to the YouTube research feature, and you can figure out which keywords you have a chance to rank for. Rank tracking. Last, but not least, we have the rank tracking feature. This allows you to find out what keywords you're already ranking for in search engines and track their changes. My honest opinion on Keysearch. After blogging for over 3 years and not using any sort of tool to help measure and track my search engine optimization impact, it's crazy cool to see exactly what keywords I should aim for, how my blog does in terms of ranking ability and so on. Even better, it's more than affordable. So, if you're ready to hunker down and invest in a search engine optimization tool yourself to get the needle moving on your search engine optimization strategy, I highly recommend Keysearch. Click the link in the description to get started.